Okay, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can install MySQL in our system. So just go with in Google, just search MySQL download and go with MySQL installer. And here two option is there, but you have to download the second one for 28.3 MB. So just download this because it will work for 64 system. My system is 64-bit. That's why I'm going to download this one. No thanks. Just start my download. Okay, now you can see download is started and it will take around 1 minute. So I'm pausing this video for waiting the download and I will resume after the download when download is completed. Okay, so MySQL installer community edition is done. So I'm just going to download and it will execute this file. So just double click on this and you can see it will stating like please wait while Windows configure MySQL installer. So we have to wait little bit and after that we will follow the next steps. Okay, so now you have to just go with S and it will take just few seconds. Again go with S. Okay, now you can see MySQL installer 1.6 and yes, and here you okay, no option is here. So you need to select which setup you want to install: developer, default, server, only client, only full, custom. In custom you can select whatever you want, but I'm going with full one. And full one means it will install MySQL server, shell, router, everything, workbench, connector. So yes, if anything need to be installed in further, so we can install that. So for now, I'm going with full one. So just select the full and go with the next one. Okay, now you have to just click on the execute, and it will start. Now you can see 40 percentage here for MySQL server, and MySQL server is 8.0.33. Same for workbench. Okay, just agree the terms and condition and go with install. Now you can see installation is done and connector Python I'm not selecting, it is of showing manual, so we will see in future if required for Python connector. Now go with next. Yes, just click on the yes and yes, ready to install. Just again go with execute and it will again installing and you can see the progress here for MySQL server and all others option. Now MySQL server installation is complete. It's time for MySQL workbench. Now after that MySQL shell router another thing, it will not take too much time. You can means move forward for next step while installation is done, or you can just 2x the video, or just move forward for 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, now the installation process is complete. Just further with the next step. Okay, ready to configure. Just go with the next one again. And here just go with the default port 3306. Okay, just click on the next here again. And for authentication method, the recommended one be strong password encryption. So just go with this and click on the next. And here you can set your MySQL root password. So I am setting whatever I want, and you can set whatever you want. Okay. Okay, so it is saying password is weak. So just okay, again weak. So we have to go with the strong password. Okay, password strength is medium. Okay, I'm going with this one, whatever I set here. Now just click with the next. Again, next. And yes, grant full access to you. You're running Windows services and unusual. Okay, just go with again next. And just click on the execute. And here database initialization. Okay, starting the server. Now configuration is done. Just we just click on the finish. Again click on the next, finish, next. Okay, now we have to connect to server, so you need to enter the password you set here. So I'm just entering. Okay, now just click on the next. Just click with execute. Okay, now just again click with the next. Now just click on the next and go with the finish. Okay, you can see MySQL cell is started here, and yes, here you can. Okay, workbench automatically started here, and I'm just going to connect with the local instead with root. Okay, you need to enter password here. Okay, you can see the workbench is started, and if you go for databases, so there will be default one like Sekila World and other thing. So yes, MySQL installation is done. If you want to execute any query, so you can execute. Okay, so you can see you can execute the query here directly in workbench, or if you want you can go with this MySQL cell. Okay, here I don't know why this command is not working, so don't worry. We are done with the MySQL installation, and this is all for the video. Thank you.